guys, and welcome to Tuesday Tips. So what is today's tip about? Today's tip is going to be the best way that you can paint mirror or glass without having to tape it off. How many times have you painted mirror and glass and you're like, oh, I have to scrape it or I have to spend all that time taping it? Well, I've got the trick for you, all right? Since I found this trick, I'm gonna tell you it has been a life changer for me. It is saving me time. If you are actually selling your furniture, time is money, right? So who doesn't want to save money? All right, guys, this is what we got here. We got a deck of cards. See these? Picked them up at the dollar store. They're good to go. Dollar Tree, $1. You reuse them over and over again. So I've already started over here. I'm going to show you what we're doing. You guys get to see the rest of my workshop in the back here. All right, we're literally just going to slide it between the trim. See how I just did that? You're going to slide it between the trim and the mirror. All right, so you might get some that are actually a little tight, and if you push it just enough as you slide it, you can get them in there. And then once you get that one in, it actually goes. You see how I did that? That one was a little tight. Now we're gonna go take another one. As you can see, I've reused these several times. All right, we're gonna slide it right down here. I'm gonna wind up doing this whole piece with these cards. All right. You slide, find that break that lets you in, and then you slide them on over, and it'll cover the other side as well. So, once I do this whole mirror, I'm good to paint. And then go ahead and get it all done. So it's great. When you're done painting, you take the cards out and you're good to go. The biggest tip I can give you guys is do not leave them in there too long. You'll want to make sure that you remove them within the first time literally within 30 minutes of drying. That's your Tuesday tip.